Hi everyone and welcome to our Friday assembly. It's been another very busy week. We've had lots going on within school and I know some of you have been really busy at home too with your online learning. We've had more and more children attending school this week, so we're already open to nursery, reception, year 1, year 6, our key worker children and our vulnerable children. We've had to open 2 additional bubbles for our reception and for year 1 because we've had more children want to come back to school, which is great news. And I know the children that have returned to school have been really happy and really enjoyed their time back in school, seeing their friends, seeing their teachers and getting back to some learning in the classroom. Good news is we are opening up on Monday to our year 5 children too. So we have sent out a survey to parents in year 5 to see if they'd like to send their children back. The response has been really positive. We've got quite a lot of children returning. So Miss Purcell, Miss Francois and Miss Collis will all be at hand on Monday for our year 5 children returning. So we're setting up 3 year 5 bubbles to support our year 5s returning to school, which is really great news. Additionally, this week we've received an award at school called the IQM, which is the Inclusion Quality Mark. Now, the Inclusion Quality Mark recognises that we are an inclusive school. There's some information about that on our newsletter this week, so make sure you have a read about that. But really proud of our achievement there, and a big thank you to Mrs. Law and to Miss Ward, who played a big part in making sure that we were able to achieve that award. Also, talking about awards, last week I talked to you about Adele being in the finals of the AET dance competitions. Well, the good news was Adele went on to win the AET dance competitions and will be representing Lee Forest on the 1st of July when it's the Remarkable Lives Festival. Now, we'll talk to you a little bit more about the Remarkable Lives Festival later on in the assembly. And there is lots more information and links on the newsletters too. So make sure you have a look on the newsletter for the additional information. For now though, it is our Friday assembly, so I'm going to go over to our teachers now to see who our stars of the week are for this week. So over to our teachers.
Hi Mia, I've chosen you to be a star of the week because of your resilient attitude towards learning and how well you have coped with your ever-changing situation. You had not been at Lee Forest for long, settling in well and making great friends before your world was turned upside down. As schooling had changed, so you had to adapt again quickly, which you did so with ease, showing how remarkably resilient and versatile you are. Mia, you are a credit to yourself, and I'm so happy that you are part of our Lee Forest family, because you are big-hearted and really know how to push your limits, producing work that is above and beyond. Mia, keep being amazing. See you soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Akmal. I've been really impressed with Akmal because he's been doing super well on his doodle tasks, has increased both his age in English and math this week, so well done, and has been tuning on to our live lessons. So it's been an absolute pleasure to see you doing so well at home. Keep it up and well done.
My child of the week this week is Lexi Morale, and I've chosen Lexi because even though she's working from home, every piece of work that she submits is of the same exceptionally high standard that she provides when she's in school. I know she's working really hard, and I've also seen some photographs of some amazing cookery that she's been doing. So I've got my fingers crossed that when we're back in school, I might get a slice of that lovely cake, especially the lemon one. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you, Lexi, for all of your hard work. And I know your mum's supporting you as well, so you should give her a big thank you. And keep up the good work. I'm really proud of you. And hopefully I'll get to see you soon. Bye.
Hello everyone. 4ST's Child of the Week this week is Sky. She's been producing some super work on Google Classroom and getting on with her doodle maths and English. So keep it up, Sky. Well done.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Evie. I've chosen you, Evie, for really pushing your limits and being resilient with all the tasks that we have set you. It was really lovely to speak to you on Wednesday in our Google Hangout. Keep up the great work, Evie. You're amazing.
My child of the week this week is Adil. And Adil, I'm giving it to you because the quality of work you're giving in is amazing. It's outstanding. You're giving in your work every single day from home and really engaging with every single activity we're setting. Mum and Dad have been sending me pictures, showing me all the beautiful artwork you've been doing as well. So well done, keep it up.
The Child of the Week this week in 4RW is Ayan Ali. Well done, Ayan. You consistently make me and Mrs Hudson extremely proud with all your remarkable online learning. Keep it up. Well done.
Well done to our children in school for brilliantly joining in our story sessions this week. I'm really looking forward to next week and hearing your adaptations of traditional tales. Take care, stay safe and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Khadija, and I've chosen her because she works so hard every single day. She listens carefully so she knows exactly what is expected of her. She gets straight on with her work. She's always the first to finish, but she hasn't rushed her work. Her work is completed to a fantastically high standard. So well done, Khadija, keep it up. Thank you.
My child of the week this week is Caden. Caden, I'm really impressed. Not only are you in school working really hard, but when you go home, you also completed some of the activities that were set in online. So it's amazing. Thank you and keep it up.
Hi Lee Forest. This week's star baker is Andreas from 2MC. Get onto the Bake Off gallery and look at his amazing bakes. He's made not one, but 4 things this week and they all look absolutely delicious. So well done, Andreas. Keep up the good work and keep baking.
Hi everyone, my child of the week is Dante Bathgate in 3MA. I've picked Dante today because I was in school this week covering lunchtime duty and Dante made me feel really welcome. He was telling me all about social distancing and how far to stay away from each other and how to keep safe. I was really impressed by this young man. He seems to have grown up loads since I last saw him in school. Well done, Dante. Keep up the great work. You're a superstar.
Hello, my child of the week this week is Kai. Kai, I've chosen you as my child of the week because I've been really impressed with your resilience and all of the wonderful work you've been sending in to me. Keep it up.
Hello everyone, I've been in a bubble in reception this week and my children of the week are both Alana and Liana because they have been absolutely remarkable learners. They were a little bit nervous at the start of the week, but they came in, they were resilient, they had high aspirations, they've been really, really brave because it's just the 3 of us in our bubble at the minute, but they are really impressing me with their attitude to learning. So well done girls, keep it up.
My child of the week this week is Kiwi. She's finally been acknowledged by AET as the best performer. We know she's the best. She's amazing. Kiwi, woo!
My child of the week is Alyssa. I've chosen Alyssa this week for persevering with her handwriting in our handwriting lessons. When you write your sentences now, Alyssa, your handwriting is beautifully presented, and I can see that you are trying really hard to make sure that you're getting your tall letters and also your long letters, so keep it up. Well done.
This week, me and Miss Lewis have chosen Mason as our Child of the Week. He's produced some really amazing work and has been giving some great answers in the live lessons, so well done, Mason, keep it up.
Hi everyone, my Child of the Week this week is Amina. She's come back to school with a great attitude. She's been coming in every single day and she's just super confident and working really hard, so keep it up, Amina. Well done.
Nursery's Child of the Week is Hiba. She always tries her absolute best, really pushing her limits. She's wonderfully kind and polite and an absolute delight to have in nursery. Well done, Hiba.
This week I have chosen Stuart for my Child of the Week. Stuart, I've been so impressed since you've come back to school. You try hard in everything that we do and I'm really impressed with the progress that you've been making, so keep it up.
A huge thank you there from our teachers for their messages for the Stars of the Week, and a big well done to all the children that got a mention there. I did mention earlier on about the Remarkable Lives Festival. So the Remarkable Lives Festival takes place on the 1st of July. Now during this day, children in school will be off timetable from their normal activities and will be taking part within the virtual festival. If you are at home and not in school at the moment, you're also invited to join in with the virtual festival. Now it starts in the morning, runs through to the afternoon. There's lots of games, activities, competitions. It will be led and presented by Mark and Sam, who are CBBS presenters, apparently. So they will be presenting the show throughout the day. There'll be staff awards, fun TikTok dances. There'll be a Soak the Head Teacher competition where I think people will be voting for soaking different head teachers. So you don't have to vote for me, thank you. But lots of fun activities taking place, which I know you all enjoy. So look out again. I've added the information to the newsletter, so have a look. And if you want to know more information about that, just send the Class Dojo message to myself or Mr. Croxon, and we'll be able to give you a bit more information. Right, we're going to finish our assembly now. So following this, there's going to be a slideshow with our team points for the week. So look out for which teams have been winning. Look at some of the photographs and some of the wonderful learning that's been taking place this week. And obviously, a final dance from Spartacus and friends. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see more of you on Monday, and look forward to a good week. So take care.
The silence is quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe. And I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Move mountains, bring it to its feet. Move mountains. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. You,
great weekend.